At Tarkett, we are taking important steps towards a circular economy, and post-use recycling is one of the proofs. In Europe, a rough estimation shows that there were 23,000 collectible tons of PVC flooring waste in 2020. These are untapped potential mines of raw materials. But how to recycle used flooring? With backings often covered in glue and putty from years of use, now there's a challenge. But it's one we successfully rose to. We have been pioneering post-use homogeneous recycling since 2019 on an industrial scale. The used flooring is collected and transported to our recycling centre in Ronneby, Sweden, through our ReStart Take Back and Recycling program. There, the material is inspected, granulated and washed to ensure no residues or glue remain. It is finally dried and safely reintroduced into our manufacturing process to produce new Tarkett homogeneous flooring. This means that flooring, which would have otherwise been incinerated or landfilled, finds a second life as we close the loop. This preserves natural resources, reduces waste, and lowers our climate footprint. Our homogeneous vinyl flooring is phthalate-free since 2011, and we can recycle the following phthalate-free homogeneous flooring and wall coverings. So contact us if you want to be part of something bigger.